You know that stiff neck you get after a long day at your desk? This little device takes care of it in minutes. The electric U-shaped massager fits snugly around your neck and quietly gets to work, kneading, warming, and loosening up those tight spots. And it's not just for your neck. You can move it to your shoulders, waist, or even under your legs after a long walk. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and makes it feel like you've had a full massage session, right on your couch, whenever you need it. If your kid gets bored in 2 minutes, this little game might just save your day. It's a mini bowling set, but instead of rolling a ball, you're launching a frog. Yep, a frog. You press down, it jumps forward, and if you're lucky, it crashes right into the pins. It's silly, it's loud, and somehow it keeps everyone at the table entertained for way longer than expected. No batteries, no screens, just pure low-tech fun. And don't be surprised if the adults get just as competitive as the kids. When getting out of bed isn't an option, this makes things a lot easier. Designed for comfort and ease, this portable toilet is perfect for recovery, limited mobility, or elderly care. The large capacity means fewer emptying trips, and the angled design helps prevent spills. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and works from bed or chair. Simple, practical, and exactly what you need when mobility is limited. Your cozy space deserves to feel fresh, clean, and truly dust-free. This compact yet powerful device goes beyond surface cleaning by targeting what your eyes can't see: microscopic mites, dust, and allergens hiding deep in your fabrics. With its UV sterilization and strong suction, it doesn't just clean, it purifies. Whether you're working on your mattress, sofa, or carpet, it glides smoothly and quietly, delivering thorough cleaning without the bulky hassle of traditional vacuums. The ergonomic handle and cordless design make it incredibly easy to maneuver, while the transparent dust container gives instant feedback on just how much it's capturing. It's the kind of tool you didn't know you needed until you experience how fresh your home feels afterward. A clean modern lamp that adapts to your space. Touch to switch, fold to adjust, and use it however you like: standing, hanging, or flat. Soft light when you want to relax, bright focus when you need to work. Simple, warm, and always useful.